Imagine you're in a crowded restaurant and someone starts choking, or your loved one collapses with no pulse, or a child is drowning right in front of you. In these split-second moments, most people freeze and do nothing, and lives are lost forever. But what if you knew exactly what to do? These 10 simple skills, recommended by the American Red Cross and Heart Association, can double or triple survival chances. Watch till the end, because one day, this could save your life or someone you love. Let's dive in. 10. Basic swimming and water safety. Learn to swim and basic rescue techniques. Reach or throw, don't go in if unsafe. Drowning is preventable with supervision and skills. 9. Know how and when to call emergency services. Dial your local emergency number, like 911 in the US, immediately in life-threatening situations. Stay calm, provide location and details. 8. Use a fire extinguisher. Remember pass. Pull the pin, aim low, squeeze the handle, sweep side to side. Essential for small fires before they spread. 7. Handle severe allergic reactions. Recognize swelling, hives, or breathing issues. If they have an epinephrine autoinjector like EpiPen, help them use it and call for help. 6. Recognize and respond to a stroke. Use fast, face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty. Time to call emergency services immediately. Quick action saves brain function. 5. Place someone in the recovery position. For an unconscious but breathing person, roll them onto their side to keep the airway open and prevent choking on vomit. 4. Control severe bleeding. Stop the bleed. Apply direct pressure with a cloth. For heavy limb bleeding, use a tourniquet high on the limb and tighten until bleeding stops. 3. Perform the Heimlich maneuver for choking. For a conscious choking adult, stand behind them, place a fist above the navel, and thrust inward and upward. Recent guidelines suggest alternating with back blows. 2. Use an AED, automated external defibrillator. Found in public places, AEDs analyze heart rhythm and deliver shocks if needed. They provide voice instructions, easy to use even without training. 1. Perform CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. If someone's heart stops from cardiac arrest, immediate CPR can double or triple survival chances by maintaining blood flow. Push hard and fast on the chest center, about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Hands-only CPR works for adults if you're untrained. These are prioritized based on common emergencies where bystander action saves lives most often. Take a certified first aid and CPR course for hands-on practice. It's the best way to build confidence. Like, subscribe, and share this video. It could save a life.